Changing wheel bearings on an SL350 Honda. I managed to knock out the brake drum side and the center bushing. But when it came to the other side, I was a little puzzled by it because I'm usually taking out a seal on a snap ring. Well, on this side, it's actually a spanner wrench type deal. Got 4 holes in here, 4 little holes in there. I just used a hammer and a punch to get it turning. And then once it turned freely, and you can just use your fingers and screw it out the rest of the way. And then underneath here is my second bearing. Now that looks like it's got a seal built into it. And I don't know if that's like the seal that I got. That's the seal I got. It kind of looks like it. I think that'll probably work. Alright, and then one more bearing to knock out in here. There are 2 different size bearings on these. So you got the small one there, and you got the big one at the other end. Here's my bearing kit that I bought it off of eBay, like 20 bucks. Comes with 2 bearings and a seal. Easy peasy pumpkin pie, and have her slapped together and running in no time.